Hello everyone, welcome to my today's video. Welcome to Sparkling Beauty Bee. Today is a very beautiful day and you can already see the sunlight. I'm not sure if it's disturbing you, too much light, but I'm actually really enjoying it because after a lot of gloomy, rainy and snowy days, finally it is sunny, giving me a total summer vibe. And today's unboxing is very much related, so I'm going to do Louis Vuitton unboxing today. It is a small accessory that I'm going to unbox, but so much time appropriate. Yes, so as you can see, the summer sun is here. I can show you what I have here. So this is the bag that we are going to unbox together, and I know that you guys love unboxing so much, so I thought I should do it with you. And it is a very small item. So here comes the actual product and I'm so excited. Like, I'm really excited. This box is giving me so much excitement, more than the actual product, because unboxing is one of my favorite, and I watch so many unboxing videos, and I know there are many people like me who actually really love watching this type of videos. So let's do it together. This is my new sunglass, and let's see how it looks on me. Really love it. It's a bit big than what I usually wear. Like, I love big sunglasses, but my Prada sunglass that I use all the time, you have seen in the photos and videos, that is one of my favorite, but that is a totally different shape. But I love this bigger style, and I think we all need like 2 or 3 different styles. People have so many different sunglasses. I usually don't wear sunglasses a lot, but obviously, especially here in Saskatoon, I think the sun is so bright that sunglasses is a must-have in your everyday life, in summer and winter, both times, because sun is really bright. And this sunglass to me is giving me a really nice look. It's a bit chunky, but what do you think, guys? Let me know. And I especially love the sides, like the design here. It is not too loud, but again it has that embossed look, which I really love. And also the logos are very tiny here, so I love a little bit of logo but not too loud. So they're rare like sunglasses I have seen from Dior or from Gucci. They have like really nice glass shape, but the logos are too big and I really don't like that. But this one is, so this embossed area is like black on black, which is so beautiful. So overall I really love it. And it also came with this little pouch where you can keep your sunglasses. It also has written Louis Vuitton here, so this is really nice. So the box it came with is this one. This is quite a big box, which I'm happy about, that I can always keep my sunglasses in this box. But again, when I go out, most of my bags are in smaller side, and I don't like bigger chunky bags unless I'm going to my workplace. So This kind of pouch is really important, so that you can protect your glasses. They won't get scratched or anything. So I really love that they provided with this one, and also a bigger box whenever needed, like if I'm traveling like really far away and I am carrying so many other stuff, then obviously I need the box. So it came out really nicely with the packaging and all, and I really love how it looks. So about a little bit of story about this sunglass. I actually went to the Yorkdale Mall and I saw this sunglass probably last December, and then I really fallen in love. Like usually whenever I try glasses, most of them doesn't fit so well, or I don't like those on myself, but when I tried it on, instantly I loved it. But I did so much shopping that time and I was really resisting myself to buying anything more. So I just thought it's okay, I don't want to buy it. And it was really gloomy that time. It was so, winter and gloomy, and I was moving from one province to another, so I was like, I didn't want to really buy anything at that point. But it never went out of my mind ever since I saw that this sunglass. It was on my mind all the time. So I was like really looking for this sunglass. I was constantly checking that it's not out of stock. So because most of the items that you really love, especially luxury goodies, like they just get sold out. So yeah, so I was checking, and the sales associate reassured me that it was a permanent collection, so it was not going anywhere. I will link down below the exact name and the link of the sunglass so you can find it easily. So yeah, and then I placed an order when I saw like this weather is really sunny and all. I felt like I really need my sunglass, so I made a purchase. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about my new sunglass. Love it, hate it, keep it, return it, let me know. But so far I'm really loving it. And also, if you want to know, like if you're not able to go to the shop, just I show you here in the inside of this, you do see like you have a Louis Vuitton written here, and also here you have it's made in Italy, and you have a code number here. And yeah, so there is east and west. So if you are from Asia, then you're Asian, then obviously you're going for the east version, and west is for Western people, those who have like bigger nose or bigger faces. Western for that, and eastern is for like smaller noses, where Asian feature is, so eastern is for that. So that's an easy way for you to know which one is for you. So yeah, that is pretty much everything for today's unboxing. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll come up with another unboxing next time. And till then, take care, stay well. I'll see you next time. Bye.